Crillo de Pollo. A main dish from Argentina. Serves 4. You will need 16 ingredients. Step 1. Heat oil in heavy pot. Brown beef in batches. Remove from pan and set aside. Step 2. Cook tomatoes, pepper, onion and garlic until soft. Add seasonings, stock and wine. Step 3. Bring to boil, scraping up brown bits, then return beef to pot with potatoes and sweet potatoes. Step 4. Cover and simmer 15 minutes. Stir in corn and squash. Step 5. Simmer 10 more minutes, until vegetables are almost fully tender, then add fruits and cook only 5 minutes more. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.